Hey people, let me show you how I made this beef and cheese thingy. I am adding some baking powder to some flour, a little Maggi seasoning, a little black pepper, and then I am going to knead my dough just like regular dumpling, right? Knead up this quick and easy. After I finish kneading, I'm just going to put that aside to rest and prepare the rest of my stuff. I have some beef and scallion. This is the regular corned beef, guys, and scallion. Just crush up that together. Then I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese and mix in my cheese. Mix it up. Yeah, just like adding some black pepper now. Adding some more all-purpose seasoning and mix it up. I'm flouring a clean surface. Break my dough in two. Then I'm going to roll it out. Roll it as flat as you can. After rolling out the dough, I'm going to use this square thingy to make my shapes. I want them very small. Now take my time and pick up the dough. I don't want to spoil the shape. Just cut out as much as I can. I'm crushing some cornflakes, regular cornflakes. Anyone you have, you just use it. And now I'm putting the cornflakes in my magic bullet to get it more fine like a breadcrumbs. It's now time to assemble my thingies. People, what am I supposed to call this? I don't even know what to call it, but I have an idea in my head and I'm executing it. So I was trying to get them in a kind of patty shape, but it wasn't working. As you can see, it wasn't looking neat, so I just put it in and roll it. I put like an egg around the edge of it to help to seal it and just roll it like a kind of festival shape. And that seems to be working, so I'm working with that. Guys, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Let me know what I should call these thingies here. I dip it in some egg wash, then into the cornflakes crumbs, and then it's time to fry these babies. Thingies, no, you can't fry the babies, these thingies. Again, cornflakes crumbs, then frying time, cornflakes crumbs, frying time, into deep fry, guys, deep frying. I use my teapot because I don't want to waste my oil, so I just use my little teapot with a little bit of oil. And the little teapot seems to be working fine, right guys? So you know, the bigger your pot, the broader your pot, the more oil you have to go put in it in order to get the deep fry, right? Give it a few minutes on one side, then you turn it over and take it out when it's golden brown. Look at this, guys, beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Like, comment, and share the video. It's now time for the big reveal. The inside of my thingies. Look at this, guys. And now I'm gonna taste this, you know. Oh my god. This was so delicious, and I have to try this for myself. Just get a tin of canned beef and get some mozzarella cheese. Everybody have baking powder and some cornflakes and your flour, and may I tell you, you're not going to be disappointed, guys. Try this and come back and comment and let me know how it tastes. So, brother, I'll give it a try now. Tell me a taste, my brother. Straight out of Superb Kitchen. Yeah, me see the cheese a string now, man. Give me another bite, show them how the cheese stringy and nice. David, you push the whole like something there. Yeah, see it there? But